toaster in the bathtub, let the static wash me clean. Love's an electric autopsy, burning in the in-between. Love's an electric autopsy, drown my heart in silver wires, let the current set it free. Love's an electric autopsy. Reflection flickers in the chrome, every heartbeat sounds alone. Synthetic dreams in motel sinks, I watch them drown with what I think. You kissed me through a power surge, now ghosts and sparks begin to merge. Love was voltage, cruel and blue, and it shorted out the truth. Out the truth. Throw a toaster in the bathtub, let the static wash me clean. Love's an electric autopsy, burning in the in-between. Love's an electric autopsy, drown my heart in silver wires, let the current set it free. Love's an electric autopsy. The lights hum dirges on the wall, our shadows dance then start to fall. You said pain was just a code, rewritten love in overload. Now every kiss is cold and wired, my veins hum low, half dead, half fired. If this is bliss, then let it sting, a requiem with circuitry wing. Underneath the buzz I hear you call, through the static, through it all. We're just ghosts with matching scars, falling faster than the stars. A requiem with circuitry wings. Throw a toaster